Welcome back to my channel, The Great Sufi Saints. Today we'll delve into the life of Hazrat Ali, one of the most revered figures in Islam. We'll begin with his birth, a significant event in Islamic history. The birth of Hazrat Ali was not merely a historical event. It was a moment that transcended time and space, a divine occurrence that would shape the course of history for generations to come. It was a divine proclamation, heralding the arrival of a guiding light for humanity. This light was not just for the people of his time, but for all of humanity, a beacon that would illuminate the path of righteousness and justice. His life, imbued with courage, wisdom, and unwavering faith, continues to inspire millions across the globe. From the deserts of Arabia to the farthest corners of the world, his legacy lives on, touching the hearts and minds of those who seek truth and justice. His story is a testament to the power of devotion and the enduring legacy of Islam's profound message. It is a story that speaks of sacrifice, of unwavering commitment to the principles of justice and equality, and of a life dedicated to the service of humanity. Born in the heart of Mecca, his life was intertwined with the very foundations of Islam. From his early years, he was a symbol of piety and devotion, embodying the very essence of Islamic teachings. His birth, a beacon of hope and guidance, marked the dawn of a new era. It was a moment that signified the beginning of a journey towards enlightenment and spiritual awakening for countless souls. It signified the coming of a leader who would stand as a symbol of justice, knowledge, and unwavering faith. A leader whose teachings and actions would resonate through the ages, guiding humanity towards a path of righteousness and moral integrity. Hazrat Ali's lineage traces back to the very core of Arabian aristocracy, directly to Prophet Abraham through his son Ishmael. This noble lineage is a testament to the deep-rooted values and traditions that shaped his character and destiny. The connection to such a revered figure in history provided Ali with a sense of purpose and a legacy to uphold. His father, Abu Talib, was a respected leader of the Quraysh tribe, known for his wisdom and integrity. Abu Talib's leadership was marked by his unwavering support for his community and his dedication to justice. He was a guiding light for many, and his influence on Ali was profound, instilling in him the values of leadership and responsibility from a young age. His mother, Fatima bint Asad, renowned for her piety and compassion, was a woman of exemplary character. She was known for her kindness and her unwavering faith, which she passed on to her children. Fatima's nurturing nature and her dedication to her family played a crucial role in shaping Ali's compassionate and empathetic personality. Growing up in such a noble household, Ali imbibed the values of honor, generosity, and courage. The environment in which he was raised was rich with lessons of moral integrity and the importance of standing up for what is right. These early experiences were instrumental in developing his strong sense of justice and his commitment to helping others. His upbringing in an environment of strong moral principles laid the foundation for his future leadership and unwavering commitment to truth and justice. Ali's life was a reflection of the values he learned from his parents and his community. His dedication to these principles made him a revered figure in history, known for his fairness, bravery, and unwavering dedication to the greater good. Hazrat Ali's birth was marked by a profound miracle. He was born inside the Kaaba, the most sacred shrine in Islam. This unprecedented event, unheard of before or since, cemented his unique position in Islamic history. This extraordinary occurrence distinguished him as a chosen one, favored by Allah. The Kaaba, a symbol of unity and the center of the Islamic faith, became the birthplace of the one destined to champion its cause. A day of celebration, reverence, and significance. Hazrat Ali's birth date, the 13th of Rajab, holds special significance, particularly for Shia Muslims who celebrate it as a joyous occasion. This day serves as a reminder of his virtues and the timeless values he embodied. His birth anniversary is a time for reflection on his life, his sacrifices, and his unwavering commitment to Islam. Muslims worldwide commemorate this day through prayers, sermons, and acts of charity, honoring the principles he lived and fought for. Early life and education, nurtured by prophecy. From a tender age, Hazrat Ali was raised under the direct care and guidance of Prophet Muhammad. This intimate upbringing instilled in him a deep understanding of Islam. He became one of the very first converts to Islam, embracing the faith with unwavering conviction. His early acceptance of Islam demonstrated his innate wisdom and spiritual inclination. He absorbed the Prophet's teachings, becoming a beacon of knowledge and a testament to his unwavering faith. Legacy of courage and justice, the Lion of Islam. Hazrat Ali is revered for his unwavering loyalty to Prophet Muhammad and his instrumental role in the early days of Islam. He stood by the Prophet during the most challenging times, offering his support and strength. His dedication was not just in words but in actions, as he participated in numerous battles to defend the nascent Muslim community. Known for his courage and swordsmanship, he earned the title Asadullah, meaning the Lion of God. His bravery was legendary, and his skills in battle were unmatched. He was often seen at the forefront of the battlefield, leading his men with valor and determination. His presence alone was enough to inspire confidence and courage in those who fought alongside him. His courage in the face of adversity, his wisdom in resolving disputes, and his eloquence in conveying the message of Islam solidified his position as a true leader. Hazrat Ali was not just a warrior but also a scholar and a judge. His decisions were always fair and just, earning him the respect and admiration of both friends and foes. His speeches were filled with wisdom, guiding people towards the path of righteousness. His life serves as a timeless example of unwavering faith, courage, and dedication to justice. Hazrat Ali's legacy continues to inspire millions around the world. His teachings and actions are studied and revered, reminding us of the importance of standing up for what is right, no matter the cost. His story is a beacon of hope and a testament to the enduring power of faith and justice.